This is my 2013 570 RZR. I currently have the rear bed and plastics removed, getting ready to pull the motor. Unfortunately, I swamped it, so I've done some damage to the internals, but I'm going to use this as an excuse to go ahead and throw a 625 big bore kit in it. And I'm also toying with the idea of possibly removing the trans to put a gear reduction in. So there's a long list of things that we want to do to this RZR. I'm making this video as the start to a build series, so anyone who wants to can follow along and see what we do to it as it's in the shop to get rebuilt, what we do to it as we're continuing to ride it, and I'll also be making a riding series so you guys can see where we go riding, the type of terrain we do, all kinds of stuff like that.